How to create signature on Microsoft Outlook mobile app. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to make your own signature on Outlook very easy and fast. So all what you have to do is simple. Go to Outlook. Now this is the home page. As you can see, go to the top corner, click on your profile like this, and now go down, click on the settings icon right here and scroll down until you find the signature option. Click on it and you will be able to create your own signature, and you can also edit it if you already have one. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.